Hello viewers, I am back with another interesting and informative video. This video is about the uh, recently concluded Indus Shield 2023 air exercise in Pakistan. The official press release about this exercise goes as follows. 14 Nation Air Exercise Indus Shield 2023 in full swing at an operational airbase of Pakistan Air Force, 15 October 2023. Pakistan Air Force 14 Nation Air Exercise Indus Shield 2023 is in full swing at an operational airbase of PF. The top-notch exercise stands out as one of the mega aerial warfare exercises of the region and is marked as significant milestone in the realization of PF's commitment to enhance its aerial capabilities along with bolstering international cooperation. The participation of the exercise encompasses fighter jets alongside pilots, ground crew, and air defense controllers from the leading air forces of the world. Indus Shield 2023 has brought together elite air forces from 14 countries and will serve as a platform to showcase their professional prowess. The participating nations include Pakistan, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, UAE, Egypt, Oman, Bahrain, Azerbaijan, Indonesia, Morocco, Uzbekistan, China, and Hungary. The exercise holds great importance as it signifies the leading role of the Pakistan Air Force in spearheading technological advancements, promoting modernization, evolving air combat tactics, and addressing contemporary air defense challenges. Exercise Indus Shield also underscores the mutual commitment of participating nations to achieve shared objectives and addresses the evolving dynamics of the aerial warfare in the face of common security threats. As the international community turns its attention to Pakistan, PF is poised to become the center of global focus by honing modern air combat tactics and strengthening interoperability interoperability between participating nations. Exercise Indus Shield 2023 is not only providing an opportunity to participating air forces to demonstrate their skills and capabilities, but also fostering greater understanding and collaboration in the realm of air defense. The exercise consolidates Pakistan Air Force dedication to its mission of safeguarding Pakistan airspace, along with promoting interoperability amongst the participating air forces of the shared challenges. Unquote. So this was all the text of what was the official uh, press release was. Now the comment from my side is that uh, it's actually unique that given the political tensions in the past between Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, UAE, uh, uh, even uh, Azerbaijan and uh, more neutral countries such as Indonesia and Morocco are there. Even Hungary, I think it's the first time, and Uzbekistan. So these diverse group of country indicates Pakistan's excellent relationship with these countries that normally might not hold an air exercise together like this. So Pakistan is playing, Pakistan Air Force actually playing its part in uh, improving relations, especially among the armed forces of these different companies. It will uh, eventually be helpful in any given that the global security scenario is such that joint operations are possible, uh, especially against terrorism. So, this will actually achieve a lot in this respect in terms of defining protocols about inter transfer of knowledge and the command structure. Uh, I have chosen certain pictures from Google images also about these exercise that uh, I am displaying at the end of this video uh, that I found to be relevant. Uh, if you like my video, please like them, share them, subscribe to them so that I can make more informative videos in the future. So, till another informative video, take care. Bye.